So in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Xbox 360 drift fix PCBs. This one here is real simple. This one here requires a little extra work, which is what we're going to cover pretty much in this video. So pop these off, make it easier for us to work on this. So this here, you see the 3 pins, is this L trigger potentiometer. This is an analog trigger. So for us to get to where the analog stick is on the back side, we have to remove this whole part right here. Now the issue is, I've tried this numerous ways to remove this, but there's no way to do it without desoldering this. So the easiest way is to either have a desoldering pump, like one of these things here, you know, the plunger type, or if you have an electric one, such as the one I have here, make the job much easier. But if you don't have any of those, if you have a K-tip, which is this like a knife tip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to essentially heat all 3 of the pins at the same time and pull on this so that I can take it off the board. Okay, that actually came out pretty easy once you did that. Once you take that off, just put it off to the side. I'm just cleaning up the pads. Now that we got that taken out, you can just unlatch the clips, put a little bit of pressure with your thumb here on the corner and push this one and it comes right off. Now we have access to where we need to solder the flex PCB. So this is like really like paper thin. Best method is to start off with the corners. Just heat it up. You don't need to add any additional solder, and push down so it's as flat as possible to the PCB. Okay, now that that's done, where we can put the assembly back. Cleaning any excess solder. Okay, so there's a pin here that goes into this hole here, and then the clips on the edges. Alright, once it snaps in place, we can put the potentiometer and arm back. Want to start with the top first, get that in, and everything's fine. Now we flip it over. I'm putting a little bit of pressure because we want the potentiometer to be as far in as possible. I'm just going to do one right now just to kind of hold it. As I'm pushing up, I'm going to heat it so it's going to move as far up as possible. Now it's being held there. The other ones is just simply add the solder. Okay, that was the hard part. Now we can do the other one, which is easy. Same method. So, don't be afraid to add a little solder, additional solder. I'm using this flathead just to kind of push it down as I'm heating it to get it as flat as possible. Now we can hook this up to the PC using the website that I might have linked below, and you can, as long as you have, this is a wireless controller, so you're going to need the dongle, the Xbox 360 dongle. If you have a wired one, you have the right drivers, you can do it that way. Otherwise you're going to need the dongle to connect it to the computer so you can check and adjust the potentiometers. Okay, thanks for watching.